What is AI? Imagine you're hungry, really hungry. So you want a sandwich. You can make one yourself, or you can ask someone to do it for you. Now imagine that someone is a robot chef. You say, "Make me a sandwich." The robot blinks and says, "What kind of bread? What toppings? Toasted or not?" Congratulations. You just met a smart robot. That's artificial intelligence. AI is like teaching a robot how to think, not just follow one rule, but learn, adapt, and improve. It's like a sandwich artist that remembers you like extra pickles and no tomatoes. There are simple AIs, like a toaster that knows when to pop. And then there are complex AIs, like a robot that learns what sandwiches everyone in the office wants before lunch break. How does AI learn? Data. Tons of it. You feed the robot a cookbook, sandwich reviews, lunch orders, and even tweets about bad bread. The more data it gets, the better it gets at making your dream sandwich. AI uses algorithms, fancy word for step-by-step rules. But now they can rewrite those steps based on what they learn. Like people hate soggy bread. Got it. No more wet lettuce. Sometimes AI gets it very wrong. You ask for grilled cheese, and it gives you peanut butter and jelly on a hamburger bun. Why? Maybe the data was confusing. Or maybe it read a meme and thought it was real. That's why AI still needs humans to guide it, correct it, and taste test the weird sandwich mistakes. So, is AI taking over? Not exactly. It's just helping. Like a really fast, kinda clueless assistant who learns fast. It can drive cars, write essays, and yes, build sandwiches. But it still needs your help. So next time you ask your phone a question, or see a robot flipping patties, remember, artificial intelligence is just trying to learn one sandwich at a time.